Hello and welcome to Guide Glimpse. In this video, I will teach you all about ElevenLabs. Most of you will be well aware of ElevenLabs text-to-speech feature. But now, ElevenLabs has introduced a speech-to-speech feature, which is also called voice changer. So let's test it out. Here I'm opening ElevenLabs. Here you can see that ElevenLabs offers text-to-speech, voice changer, and all the voice cloning options here. In this video, I will teach you all about ElevenLabs. So let's start. Here for starting, you first have to create an account. So let's go and create an account first. Here you can provide your email or password, or simply you can create an account with Google. I'm choosing Google here. Now here you have to provide your name and where did you hear about them. So I will just choose here Google. Now you can also skip that. Now here you can describe that who you are, a voice actor or something. Now you can see their feature text to speech. Okay, so let's go. Hello, I'm writing here. Hello, I am a speech generated. So hello, I am a speech generated from 11 labs. And this is how the 11 labs text to speech feature works. So now just click on generate. Here you can also choose different voices. Here is a Rachel voice. Here you can see different voices. Alice voice.
Just trust yourself, then you will know how to live. There is no greater harm than that of.
As we are liberated from our own fear,
The thing always happens.
Life without love is like a
Here you can choose. Here you can see all the voices, and you can choose any. Choose this voice.
Just trust yourself.
So now try and generate speech here.
Hello, I am a speech generated from ElevenLabs, and this is how the ElevenLabs text-to-speech feature work.
It's pretty nice and it looks a little bit realistic, not that much AI wise. And that's how the text to speech feature works. Now let's move to the other feature. If we go for voice changer here. Here for that you have to upload here or you have to record here a voice to see how this voice need to work. So I'm choosing record here. Now enable the mic. Now as you can see that I have recorded a voice here, just see how it turned out. Here you can see the live recording here. I'll click on start. So this is an example of how voice changer work in ElevenLabs, and I'm doing this to show you how the voice changer. So this is my voice that I have recorded. Here you can convert your voice to another voice by simply using the voice changer option. It is also called speech to speech. So now just simply click on generate speech and wait.
I'll click on start. So this is an example of how voice changer work in ElevenLabs, and I'm doing this to show you how the voice changer worked.
It worked okay, but not that much smooth and satisfying. Maybe there will be some. Yeah, here you can see the options here. Just choose stability, more stable voice, and similarity maybe bit okay, and style aggression a little bit for maybe. Here also choose remove background noise and booster all this. That will make your audio more smooth. After doing all these changes, you can also see how it works. Okay, so now let's try their sound effects. Here describe your sound effect and then click generate. Okay, it will be interesting. Okay, so you can see that in horror movies the sound of door opening slowly and that how looks creepy. Maybe let's try that one here. Sound of a door opening slowly in complete Okay, so here I'm writing sound of a door opening slowly in complete silence. Silence. Okay, let's try how it will generate. Okay, now they have given us 4 options. This is really nice. Now let's play one by one. It's okay, but that was not what I was looking forward for. Here the second and the fourth one was what I was really looking forward for. The door opening voice, which was okay, but I was looking forward for the door moving voice. Maybe not add here. Door moving maybe in case of opening. Okay, so now let's try this time. Here in setting you can see different options. Here you can see the duration. Here you can choose whether you want more duration or less duration. And you can also see the prompt influence. Slide the scale to make your generation perfectly adhere to your prompt or allow for a little creativity. You can allow that. Now you can see here different voices. If we talk about this second voice, I think it will be more perfect or similar maybe to that scenes here. And that was how you can see different voices here. That was all about the voice options. We only have some credits here. After that we have to buy subscription. So for continuous use you have to buy subscriptions. Now click on this upgrade option here. We have used our 1600 credit out of our 10,000 credits. This credit reset in every 30 days. That's free, obviously. Here, if we talk about their packages, you can see that for starters they offer $5 per month, and for creators they offer $11, and for pro it's $100, and for scales is $330. All these packages have their own accessibilities and features, so choose according to your niche and see whether the plan you are looking forward for have the features that you are looking forward for. And that was all about the 11 lab. If you find this video useful, please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.